Hello everybody, I'm doing another video, but today I'm not playing Minecraft. I am playing Failing Bird with my friend Krazy Person. He's joining me today. So yeah, let's get this started. Oh no! We both died. This is so fun in the game, but if you want to see more of us just failing. Oh my gosh, this is so hard! I know. Go. I got the Skittles. Oh no, I don't. Oh no, it's deleted my score. Yeah, Ow. Oh my gosh! I was like a whole meter in front of me. I can't see. I don't know. Pixels. I was 100. What the heck? What did I do? Oh, that was like the hardest part. Yeah. Okay. This time we are so bad at this, and I am good. I'm maybe worse than me. I'm the green piggy. See a fish? It's orange. Oh my gosh, that was the closest! Okay, I got you. You jinxed me! Oh, dang. Let's do this! I'm not doing it. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, this is kind of boring. Oh, I thought I hit it! What? Seriously? Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Yeah, oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed this video and